attribute leke abemito me.
Well, to all of my honored family, I salute you. You have been my family all along, and you are the reason why today I am smiling. May God forever bless you, and may God forever love you as He loves His holy church. Your Eminence and the clergy at large, thank you for being a father to me. You've really given me the love of a father that I never enjoyed when I was a child. God bless you so much. I thank you so much for coming today and being with us, because I remember when I was going to India for the first time, you prayed for me early in the morning at 6 a.m. And there's one thing that you say to me: you have deleted that cancer and everything that doctor have mentioned. I am here to confirm to you that God deleted. Amen. For I am now cancer free. tribute. I just want to say the clarity. The reason why Your Eminence and the clergies twathika Mami twina kora atugati akanitha witũ. My mom died a sudden death. It was on that of Friday. We just woke up on the 4th of, it was on Saturday, September 2021, and found that she died when she was sleeping. And she had a shock after she got news that I was ailing cancer. That is what killed her. And when my mom died, the next week, the next coming Sunday, she was to come to our church because she had called me and told me that God has ministered to her a lot of things, that she would want to come to pray for our church, to pray for me, and also to pray and bless my siblings. She died before that. There's one thing that she told me. She would come to our church in capacity of my mother. She will come like Prophet Elisha when he was going to heal Jericho. So I remember he told me to buy her a new dress, and because she was a fan of weave, I bought her a new weave and new shoes. But that never happened. So that's the reason why today, because we are laying her to rest in her own soil, we decided to come with collar so that it can be fulfilled, whatever she wanted to do to our church. I'm happy and I'm very humbled to be with you today as my father, because you have been a father to me and the house of clergy at large. It makes me feel so much honored, and I'm so much humbled because of your love, because of your care, and because of your concern. Live long, Dad, because we need you. And I know many people who are even behind me need your guidance, need your love, need your mentorship, and also your prayers. You prayed for me, today I am healed. You blessed me, I can see today the glory of God within this wilderness of Matu. God bless you, Dad, and the whole clergy at large. To my online family, I'll never forget you. You will live to be my family forever. You came to my life when I needed you the most, when I was abandoned, when I became a burden to many. But to all of you, you decided, not because you knew me, not because you knew a lot about me, but you just chose to carry my burden and to carry me as your own child. God bless you all. I always say, as I said the last time I went to India, I have paid a price on your behalf. May you never find yourself in calamities, agonies, or any predicament, because I know the pain I have been going through has been so much traumatizing, and it is unbearable. God bless you all, my online family. May God forever love you as He loves His holy church. I'll proceed to lead my tribute to my mother, and I'm doing this on behalf of myself and my siblings. Your Eminence, the reason why I'm using this microphone, I normally don't hold the mic with the hand because of the tremor that got me because of the too much medicine that I normally take daily. So that's the reason why I normally use this one that I hook at my head. That is for the clarity. Now, let me read the short tribute on behalf of myself and my siblings that I've wrote for my mom. And this I wrote when I was in India, and that is when my left eye was blinded. But I decided I need to say a word to my mother. I know where she is. She can see as his kids and as a church and as his family, because all of us who are gathered here, online family, we all have family. That's the reason why we are all here, to say goodbye and to give her a decent send-off. Thank you, all of you, who made this successful. When I look around, I never even had a thought that I would even one day have an event that will be beautiful like how it is today. Thank you, and may God bless you all. To all of you who participated and did all what you could to make this successful. May God never forget what you've done for me and to my family. You have wiped our tears. You have given us hope. You have shown us that we are no more orphans. We are family with many mothers, with many fathers, with many brothers and many sisters. God bless you all. May God forever love you as He loves His holy church. This is now to my mother, who is lying here, who I always say she is my hero. And with your permission, Your Eminence, when I conclude my tribute, when I stood and I became a man who can do something for his own, and I went to my mother and told her I'm the one who will be changing her wardrobe. And there's one song that my mom used to sing for me. And every time she would call me, she would sing just a chorus of that song. It is sung by my sister who is seated there, Presa Washanga, Dukara Karedara Dimo. With your permission, I would request when I conclude my tribute, you allow her to sing that song so that my mom will hear that it is true. She is blessed because the house of clergy is here with her today, and we are all here gathered because of her and the whole online family at large. Now this is my tribute to my mother. My heart is forever bleeding every time my mind recalls that the pain of a mother, seeing his son suffer helplessly, killed that mother. I don't think I ever had an extended family, because if they were there, they would have stood beside you and tell you it will be well. But no one was there. It's only my siblings. It's only my siblings. Everyone stood far because your son was ailing cancer, and the only expected news was his death. Forgetting, when God says yes to our prayers, nobody can say no. But thank you, God. You brought me my online family who are watching us today. I salute you once again. You are all my hero. That's why today I'm alive. Mom, God said yes to our prayers. How I wish you are still alive. We celebrate together now that God has healed me. I can't imagine the smile, the joy, and the laughter at your face. But now I have no choice than to say, rest in peace, Mom. I miss you, Mom, and I love you so much. Rest in peace, Mom. Mom, this is a repeat of what happened many years ago when my dad died. You found yourself surrounded by darkness, and you have no choice than to just go back home to your mother, who is my grandmother, who took over and raised me up. Thank you, my grandmother, wherever you are. You are my hero. Mom, I now want to assure you that this will never happen again. Today, I'm laying you to rest at your soil. No more trouble, Mom. You will never be disrespected again. You will never be troubled again. This is your soil, Mom. This is your home, Mom, until the day of judgment. Rest in peace, Mom. I love you so much. Rest in peace, Mom. Again, your son, Apostle John Paul Moses Masharia Morebi. God bless you all. God bless you, your eminence, and the house at large.
Asante Rose, washaga, ukato inawe kwa luga dukara, kalendara dimo nduga tenera miye. Na mukira toro ine, tobo ine diete boy.
Habari
Ini kan kita sih kecil nggak aku terus jauh dari yang mana.